All right, let's get to ripping. What about you, bad boy? All 6 packs. All right, here we go. All right, bad boy, no worries. Just send me an email with your where to ship it to. All right, first card. Kawhi base. LeBron. Book Knight. Alvarado. That numbered. Got a filler. Not numbered. Ben Simmons. There's for Bucket Scotty. And Jalen Suggs. Oh, one more. Oh, this is the numbered card. Corey Kispert. Numbered 30 out of 149. Going to the Wiz. Etc. Good packaging, good shipping. Cade. Mobley. Come on, give us those guys numbered. Watford. Quentin Grimes going to the Knicks, numbered 141 of 149. Isaiah Jackson. Oh. There's our first auto. Jalen Johnson going to the Hawks. And we got Davion on the Elite and LeBron. And that is numbered. Nemes Quetta. Cam Thomas. Watford again. There we go. There's a Franz. Number 22 out of 99. Bones on the honors. Jalen Green. Kyrie on the marquee. And Duarte. Next pack. Another Jalen. Another Franz. Cade. Come on, give us those numbered. Quentin Grimes on the Timeless Treasures. I don't believe this one's numbered. Nope. Alvarado, Prison Base. Zaire Williams, who should be coming back pretty soon. Trae Young. And Quentin Grimes. No numbered cards in that pack. All right, this has got the thick numbered one in it. Maybe a couple. Mobley. Kessler Edwards. Suggs. There we go for the Pacers. Chris Duarte, numbered 113 out of 149. Suggs again. Hey, same exact bones, but numbered. Going to the Nuggets. Numbered 61 out of 149. And Scotty Barnes to finish off the pack. Oh no, one more. Scotty Barnes. All right, last pack, first box. Zion on the Prestige. RJ Barrett. Josh Christopher, Absolute. Jalen Suggs, numbered 143 out of 149. LeBron on the Crusade. Oh, damn it. There's our next auto, Armani Brooks. Wrong Raptor, but the right one's coming. LaMelo and Sengun. Oh, there's still got 2 boxes. Bad boy. All right, let's get something good. Mobley on the base Prestige. Primo. Jalen Green, Absolute. Moses Moody, number 29 of 149. Herbert Jones on the Crusade. Damn it, did it again. Hopefully you guys didn't see that. Duarte on the Marquee and Durant. And the auto. Oh man, killing it tonight. Rookies and Stars. For the Kings. Mitch Richmond. What a sweet shot he had. Numbered 111 to 149. And Herbert. Oh, this one's thick. Quetta, Threads, Wiggins, Scotty Base again, Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz. Yep, spacer on that one. Suggs Crusade. Trae Young on the Honors. Book on the XR. And we got a blue back here. Wrong Rocket, but not bad. 45 out of 99 on the Josh Christopher. Working our way up, Rockets. Working our way up. All right, next pack. Moody on the Threads. KD. Suggs. Playbook. Oh, look at that name behind it. Cade, 38 out of 99 on the plates and patches. It's a decent one. Steph Curry. Cam Thomas. $67 out of 99 on the Cam. Sengun base and Io. Zaire on the Prestige base. Brandon Ingram. I know the auto's got to be coming. Trae Young. Herbert Jones. Numbered 9 of 75. No, 3 of 75. KD again. Cam Thomas, Rookie and Stars. Where are the autos? Last 2 packs, hopefully. Giannis, there's our first sighting of him. And Camp. 3 Cam Thomases in the same pack. Franz. D-Book. Austin Reeves. Isaiah Livers. 140 out of 149. Giannis again. Oh no, tell me there's an auto in here. Cam Thomas. And we're going to get Panini. Josh Christopher and Kessler Edwards. 1 pack left, no autos yet. Lovely. I was in a break last night. What was it? I think, yeah, he opened, same thing, Chronicles, and 0 autos. Better not do us like that. No, we got one. Yeah, we got one, at least. Quentin Grimes. Donovan Mitchell base. Mobley base. Trey Murphy. Not numbered. Not numbered. Luka. First sighting of Luka. Put the auto down. Ant-Man. And Jalen Green. And the auto is tell me that's not who I think it is. For the Raptors, Really? How many Armani Brooks do we need? All right, last box. Ingram, Moses Moody, Livers, Timeless, Moses Moody, 43 out of 149, Scotty Barnes, Zaire. There you go, Charlotte. LaMelo, just base though. Trey Mann. That does it for that pack. No, this one's got the spacer in it, I think. Got extra glue, that's for sure. All right, Jalen Green, Mobley, Brandon Boston Jr., first Clipper. Or no, Kawhi was to start us off in the break. Sengun, spacer. Knight, the Hometown Heroes. Halliburton. Suggs. Oh, is that gold? I think we got gold. Giddy? That's Giddy. Oh, 75th anniversary. 56 out of 75 on Alexander. Nice pickup, Alexander. There's already been 3 Hornets so far. At least 3. Franz Wagner. Neemias Quetta. Duarte. Duarte numbered 107 out of 149 on the playbook. Quentin Grimes. Oh, damn it. There's one of our autos. Oh, we could have a good next auto. Jose Alvarado. 4 patch. Quad patch. Not numbered. Sengun and Kessler. Sorry, Armani. I'm going Gucci. LeBron base. Cade base. There's another Gid Luminance. Omer. 29 out of 49. Going to the Heat. There's a card for the Heat finally. Austin Reeves on the Crusade. Damn it, there's our last auto. Jericho Sim. Another quad patch, though. Going to the Knicks. 24 out of 99. Moses Moody and Brandon Boston. All right, last 2 packs. KD, Grimes. There's our first Kuminga. JTA, number 12 out of 149. Duarte. There's another Io. Hollow. Scotty Barnes. Nope. Banton. And Luka. Last pack, in case you guys don't want to stick around for the recap. Donovan Mitchell. Kawhi. Alvarado. There we go. There you go, Houston. Numbered 93 out of 99. You'll never hit his jersey number. That's kind of sucks. Jalen Green. Duarte. Davion. First Davion, finally. Numbered 1 of 1. You like apples? How about them apples? It took till the last 3 cards, but we got it. 1 of 1. Nice hit, Sack. You hear, Sacramento? And I'm going to ship it in this, but I'll send a 1-touch with it. If you're here. And the last 2 cards, Aaron Wiggins and Cade. All right, here we go on the recap. Duarte to 149 on the plates and patches. To 99 on Cade on the plates and patches. Suggs to 149. Moody to 149. Josh Christopher to 99. Duarte to 149. Giddey base luminance. Omer to 49. Plates and patches, Jalen Green to 99. Cade base. JTA to 149. Moody, the Timeless Treasures to 149. Scotty Barnes base. Jalen Green base. Timeless of Livers to 149. Herbert Jones to 75 on the 75th anniversary. Cam Thomas to 99. Timeless Treasures to 249 on the Grimes. Bones to 149. Franz Wagner to 99. Jalen Green on the Hollow Honors, not numbered. And Grimes again to 149. And the autos, Alvarado quad patch. Armani Brooks to 99. Alvarado was to 99 as well. Jericho Sims to 99 on the quad patch. Mitch Richmond to 149. Jalen Johnson to 25. 20 of 25. Armani Brooks again on the auto. Corey Kispert to 149. Josh Giddey to 75. And the hit of the break, Davion Mitchell, 1 of 1 black on the Phoenix. Congratulations, Sacramento spot. And God, that is just so pretty to see.